Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise chapter 1, real numbers. Today's topic is finding the HCF or GCD, highest common factor or greatest common divisor of two numbers. Means that are two positive integers. Positive integers. I'm taking examples. One is 50 and 70. First of all, I'm going to find the HCF, highest common factor of 50 and 70 by using continued division method. Which method, Nana? Continued division method. See here, continued division method. I'm going to use this method. The given two positive integers, what are they? 50 and 70. We know 70 is the dividend and 50 is a divisor. So we always divide a bigger number, greater number with a smaller number. Okay. See here, I'm dividing like this. Now 70 is a dividend, 50 is a divisor. Then 50 ones are 50. Y means 52s are 100 means 70 cross out. That's why 50 ones are 50. Now 70 minus 50 means that is 20. Now we know 20 is a remainder, but now it acts as a divisor. The divisor 50 acts as a dividend. Is it clear, my dears? 20 actually remainder. 70 minus 50 means 20. 20 is a remainder, but it acts as a divisor. The divisor 50 acts as a dividend. Then again 22s are 40. 22s are 40. 50 minus 40, that is 10. Now 10 is a remainder. Now it acts as a divisor. The divisor 20 acts as a dividend. Okay. 10 2s are 20. So clearly we get the remainder as 0. What is the last divisor, Nana? Because the last divisor enti? Last divisor is 10. So you can say that this is the HCF. Therefore, the HCF of 50 and 70. 50 and 70 is 10. Okay. We can, by using the division method, continued division method, we can find the HCF of 2 or 3 numbers. Okay, now like this. Okay. Okay, students. Now see the next one. Find the HCF and LCM of the 50 and 70 by prime factorization method. This time I am going to find both HCF, highest common factor, and LCM, least common multiple. Okay. So which method we are going to use, Nana? Prime factorization method. First of all, what is the meaning of prime? Prime ante enti? Prime. In this method we must use prime factorization method. we must use only prime numbers. Okay. What prime numbers means what?
1, 2,
So
3.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So these are all prime numbers. Why we call these are prime numbers? ఎందుకు మనం వీటిని prime numbers అంటాం? Clearly the numbers having two factors, one and the number itself. ఈ numbers కి only two factors మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి, one and the number itself. See, for example, 2. 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So clearly it has two factors, 1 and the number itself. There is no another factor for 2. And like that only you see 3. 1 3s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, now 1 and the number itself, only two factors. That's why 3 is a prime. 5 also, 1 5s are 5 1s are. 7 also, 1 7s are 7 1s are. There are no another factor for this. That's why we call these are the prime numbers. Okay, you just observe here the one and only one even prime. The one and only one even prime. Even prime number entama ikkada only 2. Except 2, remaining all primes are odd primes. Is it clear? The one and only one even prime number is 2. Except 2, remaining all primes are odd primes. Okay. Now, in this prime factorization method, we must use only prime numbers, but the order is not a matter. Okay. See here, I'm taking the number 50. Okay. I'm finding the prime factors for 50. 50 ki prime factors find out chestunna. 2 is a prime number. I said now we must use only prime number. 2 25 sir, 50. I'm using next prime number 5. Okay. It is 5 5 sir 25 and 5 1s are 5. Okay. Clearly 2 5 are primes. I use primes on. And 70. See now, I'm using prime number 2 here. 235 sir. 235 sir 70. I'm using 5. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. Thus, the prime factors of 50. 50 prime factors ఎలా రాయొచ్చమ్మా 2 into 5 into 5 అంటే 2 5 5. 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 5 repeated 2 times. That's why we can write it as 5 power 2. మనం exponents లో రాస్తాం కదమ్మా, ఇది బేస్, ఇది exponent. The next integer 70, that is equals to, we can write 2 into 5 into 7. Then how to find the HCF, highest common factor, ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? You just observe nana how to find the HCF after finding the prime factors. Okay, now the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. The product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. Common ante రెండిట్లో కామన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కామన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ తెలంగాణ? తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్. అట్లనే అక్కడ ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అంటే అందులో ఉండాలి, ఇందులో ఉండాలి. సి హియర్ 2 2. These two are common, and 5 5. These two also common. Now you observe here, what is the స్మాలెస్ట్ పవర్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 2 బోత్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నాయి. స్మాలెస్ట్ పవర్ అన్నా ఇవి రెండే అవుతుంది అండ్ గ్రేటెస్ట్ పవర్ అన్నా కూడా ఇవే అవుతాయి. సో దట్స్ వై యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఫ్రమ్ దీస్ 1 2 into here. What is the smallest power? ఇక్కడ కామన్ ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 5 లో స్మాలెస్ట్ పవర్ దేనికి ఉంది? ఇక్కడ 5 పవర్ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ 5 ఉంది. సో స్మాలెస్ట్ పవర్ దిస్ వన్, అంటే ఇక్కడ 5 పవర్ 1. యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్ as into. So there are no another common factor. ఇక్కడ 7 ఉంది, but there is no 7. So that's why 2 5s are what? 10. So the highest common factor of 50 and 70 is what? That is 10. HCF of 50 and 70. Now, how to find the LCM? LCM ఎలా find out చేయాలి? That is also in the same manner only, but the product of the greatest power of each prime factor. ఇక్కడ మనకి కామన్ అనేది నో నీడ్, బట్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఎన్ని ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, బట్ గ్రేటెస్ట్ పవర్ ఉన్నది తీసుకోవాలి. యూ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ 50 లో 2 ఉంది, 70 లో కూడా 2 కామన్ ఉంది, ఓకేనా? బట్ అంటే మనం జస్ట్ 2 అనేది ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ గా కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ పవర్? బోత్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి ఏదన్నా ఒకటి తీసేసుకోండి. 2 into హియర్ 5 is a ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్, ఇక్కడ కూడా 5 ఆల్సో ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఇందులో గ్రేటెస్ట్ పవర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 5 పవర్ 2, ఓకే, into 7. the greatest power అదే and smallest power కూడా అదే అవుతుంది. 7 power 1 అంటే simply 7. So we can write here 2 into 5 power 2 అంటే 25 into 7. 225 sir 50 into 7. 57 sir, that is what? 350. Okay, so the LCM of 50 and 70 is what? 350. Now see the relation. Product of the two numbers. The product of the two numbers is equals to the LCM of the two numbers into HCF of the two numbers. Would have a relation? Yes. Product of the two numbers is equals to the LCM of the two numbers into HCF of the two numbers. What are the two numbers? The two numbers are 50 and 70. Product is nothing but multiplication. 50 into 70 is equals to LCM means that is 350 into HCF means what? That is 10. Now see here, 5 7s are 35, 0 0. Okay, so now 1 into 350, 350, you just write 0. So LHS is equals to RHS. So relation satisfies. Thank you.